Anxiety has become a constant companion for many people in the modern world. The mind races, the chest tightens, and worries multiply endlessly. Yet in the midst of these overwhelming sensations, mindfulness offers a path back to calm and clarity. Rooted in Buddhist teachings, mindfulness helps us understand the nature of anxiety, detach from fear-driven thoughts, and reconnect with the present moment where peace is always available. Through awareness, compassion, and gentle acceptance, we learn not to fight our anxiety, but to transform our relationship with it. Anxiety often arises from the mind's habit of living in the future. We imagine worst-case scenarios, fear potential outcomes, and overthink every possibility. This mental projection disconnects us from the safety and simplicity of the present moment. Mindfulness teaches us to anchor our awareness in the here and now, observing our thoughts without being swept away by them. When we return to the present, anxiety begins to loosen its grip because it cannot survive in a mind that is fully awake. The Buddha taught that suffering comes from attachment to our fears, our desires, and our expectations of how life should be. Anxiety grows when we cling tightly to control, trying to manage every detail of our lives. But mindfulness encourages us to let go of this grasping, to trust the natural flow of life, and to cultivate acceptance. This does not mean giving up responsibility. It means recognizing that we cannot control everything, and that peace comes from releasing what we cannot change. Breath awareness is a powerful antidote to anxiety. The breath is always with us, always steady, always available to bring us back into balance. When anxiety rises, mindful breathing calms the nervous system and centers the mind. Each slow inhalation invites clarity. Each gentle exhalation releases tension. As we breathe mindfully, we create a space between anxiety and our reaction to it. That space is freedom. It allows us to respond with wisdom instead of panic. Mindfulness also teaches us to observe bodily sensations with curiosity instead of fear. Anxiety often manifests physically tightness in the chest, trembling hands, restlessness, or discomfort. Instead of resisting these sensations, we learn to observe them gently, like a compassionate witness. When we acknowledge physical sensations without judgment, they gradually lose their intensity. This practice helps dissolve the fear of anxiety itself, which is often more distressing than the sensation. Self-compassion is an essential part of healing anxiety. Many people blame themselves for feeling anxious, believing they are weak or failing. But Buddhist wisdom teaches that everyone experiences suffering. It is part of the human journey. When we treat ourselves with kindness, we create an inner refuge where healing can unfold. A gentle reminder such as, "It is okay to feel this way," can soften the heart and ease anxiety. Mindfulness also helps us recognize impermanence. No anxious thought lasts forever. No wave of fear continues endlessly. Everything rises and falls. When we embrace this truth, we learn not to panic when anxiety appears. We know it will pass. We know we can breathe through it. We know we are larger than our fear. This wisdom brings deep peace, even in moments of discomfort. Ultimately, mindfulness transforms anxiety not by eliminating it, but by changing how we relate to it. Instead of fighting or fearing anxiety, we learn to observe it, understand it, and gently release it. This shift returns power to us and restores calm. Through awareness, compassion, and acceptance, we rediscover a sense of balance and clarity. Mindfulness becomes a lifelong companion that guides us toward inner peace, even in uncertain times.